I'm Madam Joyce from Educare TZ. I'm teaching biology, and today, my student, I will be with you to discuss our topic, which is found in Form 5, and this topic, which is called the coordination and irritability. So, in our topic, we are going to deal with our subtopic, which is the coordination in plant, whereby we are going to look on the phytohormones or on the types of the hormones. Since on the last session, whereby I promise you in this session we are going to start looking on the first type of the plant hormone, which is called the auxin hormone. Sorry. It is called the auxin hormone. So we are going to see what is this auxin hormone and what are the function of this auxin hormone. Since the characteristics of the plant hormone, we have already covered it on the last session. So now you're warmly welcome so that we can move together, and I hope you will understand because these things are obvious, vinajulikana. So tutaenda kusoma wote, na pia I insist and I ensure you, my student, you will understand. So you are warmly welcome. So now when we are talking about auxin, these are the chemical compounds produced in the root and the shoot apex of the plant. This auxin hormone is the hormone which is produced on the apex of the shoot and the root. Yani mwishoni kabisa, at the end of the root. Mwishoni kabisa mwa shoot au mwishoni kabisa mwa root, ndipo ambapo unakuta kuna production of this auxin hormone. And we are saying that one of their common form is called the indole acetic acid, that is IAA. So tunasema kwamba the common form of this auxin inaitwa indole acetic acid. Hii indole acetic acid tunasema kwamba ni auxin hormone which is found within the body of a plant. But remember, where does this hormone is produced? It is produced on the apex of the shoot and the apex of the root. So now, what are the function of this hormone? Why that this hormone is produced within a plant? Inakuwa inafanya kazi gani ndani ya plant? Is where now we are going to see. That is, auxin have the following role in the plant. Auxin inakuwa inafanya kazi nyingi sana ndani, au kazi mbalimbali sana ndani ya plant. The first one, we can say that they influence cell enlargement, bud formation, and the root initiation. The first function of this auxin hormone, that is common form, it is called indole acetic acid, and that is IAA. Auxin hormone, it is responsible for cell enlargement. And you know that the enlargement of the cell, and that is bring about growth. Cell inavyokuwa ndipo ambapo growth inatokea ndani ya plant. And not only that, bud formation, the initiation of a branch. The initial point of a branch that is occurring within a plant is that we call bud formation. And also it is involved in a root initiation. Kule mwanzoni kabisa root inapoanza kuchomoza. So this auxin hormone, it is responsible for initiation of the root. Root inaweza ikasambaa vizuri kabisa within the soil is due to the presence of this auxin hormone. And another function or another role of this auxin hormone, we can say that they facilitate the production of the phototropic response. At the phototropic response, we have already covered it when we are looking on the tropism. That is, a plant move into the direction where there is a light. For example, we have seen the previous session that mti au ule mmea ambapo umepandwa ndani karibu kabisa na dirisha, unakuta ule mmea una bend toward the direction of the light. Why? Is due to the presence of the auxin hormone. It promotes It promotes the phototropic movement or phototropic response to occur within a plant and hence bring about growth. Unakuta ule mti kabisa una bend toward the direction of the window au toward the direction of the light is due to the presence of the auxin hormone that bring about the growth of that tree or that plant. Another function or another law, we can say that auxin together with cytokinins control the growth of the stem, root, and the fruit. Meaning that these auxins together with the cytokinins zikiwa zinafanya kazi pamoja, that is synergism now. They bring about growth of the stem and also the root together with the shoots. Because the growth of the root and the growth of the shoot is due to the function of the auxin and cytokinin to work together. Ndipo ambapo ule mtu unaona unakuwa mnene zaidi, au unakuwa na matawi mengi zaidi. Kwa sababu gani unakuwa na matawi mengi zaidi? Is due to the function of the auxin hormone and the cytokinin hormone, and hence now auxin they called as a growth promoter. Another function or another role of the auxin hormone, that is they affect cell elongation by altering the cell wall plasticity. They alter, they affect the cell elongation. They affect cell elongation by altering the cell plasticity. So ile plasticity inatokea kwenye cell wall ndio ambayo ina bring about cell elongation. And that work it is done by the presence of the auxin hormone within a plant body. Another function of this plant hormone, specifically auxin, we can say that they stimulate the cambium of the meristematic cell to develop the stems, the leaves, and the flower buds, while in the stem they differentiate into the secondary xylem. So hii auxin pia tunasema kwamba ina stimulate cambium of the meristematic cell. Na tunasema kwamba cambium ndio ambayo structure ina bring about growth to occur within a plant. So and hence we can say that this auxin hormone, they are called the growth promoter. Why? It's because they stimulate the cambium of meristematic cell to produce or to develop the stem. So the stem of the tree, it is enlarged. Is due to the stimulation that the auxin bring on the structure of the cambium of a meristematic cell. And not only to develop the stem, and also the leaves and the flower buds. Unakuta kwenye mti kuna maua, yale maua yanachomoza. So the growth of the flower is due to the presence of auxin hormone, which are found within a plant hormone. So ile auxin hormone inasaidia kuwepo kwa maua ndani ya mmea. And also while the stem they differentiate into the secondary xylem. Tukisema stem ina differentiate into secondary xylem, is whereby there is increase of a girth of a plant. Tukisema girth, that is the wider of a stem. That is due to the presence of the auxin hormone. So now you can see this auxin hormone, it has got a lot of the function. And hence, due to this function, my student, we can say that this auxin hormone, they are called growth promoter. Other day, you can be asked into your exam. Explain why auxin hormone are called the growth promoter. And this one are the answers. Why we are saying that is due to the presence that the auxin hormone, it stimulates the cambium of the meristematic cell. The meristematic cell, thereafter bring about the growth and development of the stem, the roots, the leaves, and the flowers which are found within a plant. Thereby, it provides the growth of a plant. So my students, let's end here, but in the next part of this session is whereby we are going to finalize looking on the role, and thereby we're going more further to see the application of this auxin hormone within a plant body. So thank you for attentively listening.